In 2020, my dad passed away, and now I think I miss him more than ever. When I started filming this video, I never knew I would be talking about my late dad on the internet, but while editing, watching myself clean reminded me so much of him, and so I decided to make this video about him. So welcome to a day in my late dad's life. Hi, I am Esther Nkechinyere and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I hope you consider subscribing, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. I love you. So growing up, my dad used to manage a hotel. Life was simpler and more comfortable for us at the time. His off days were usually Wednesdays, so on Wednesdays we would always know that daddy will be home. And my dad's ideal off day was starting his day with prayers. He would lock himself in his room, burn incense, and pray for long hours up to like 2 o'clock. After prayers, he would read. He used to read a lot, and he also imbibed this culture in us. So in secondary school, I used to read a whole lot. After prayers and reading, my dad would clean the house. Oh my God, he would thoroughly clean the house and even the gutters. Like you just knew it was Wednesday whenever you see the surrounding gutters clean. Our neighbors really enjoyed this. Back then, he did not use mop. He would use rag, so he had to like bend down to be able to clean the floors thoroughly. It was such a delight to see him clean because that meant no cleaning for us or the neighbors that day. After cleaning, my dad would make us this very amazing delicacy. I don't know if you know egusi stew. He would make it with plenty Titus fish. I used to enjoy this so much growing up. On some days, he would pound yam, while my mom would make ofe owere, yes, with plenty snails. While eating, he would play bongo music. This bonga lele just different types of bongo music. It was such a lovely time for us. I mean, growing up, life was not always rosy, but Wednesdays were definitely the special days. As an adult, now I've come to realize that Wednesdays were his reset days, a time for self-care. For him, that day meant connecting with God, clearing his mind through cleaning, cooking for his family, and enjoying his native music and dance in a foreign land, because then we used to live in Ibadan and he could hardly speak Yoruba. Now I've found myself adopting this ritual of my dad. Though I don't have designated days, but whenever I feel overwhelmed, I clean, I cook, I play bongo music, and talk to my God. Dad, I miss you so much, and I am so happy to be making this video about you. I'm grateful to be able to share pieces of you with the world now that I feel strong enough. And to those who have watched up to this point, thank you. I'm inviting you to also reflect on the cherished moments that you have with your loved ones. Preserve them forever. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please do, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.